Hey, fire escape inspection summary video. This is Alan Toll, completing my video of system number at Herbert Hotel on Powell Street. Again, this is the ladder that needs servicing. Doesn't appear to be in such bad shape, but the cable looks good. But I don't see any service sticker that's on here, so we can have someone come out and take a look at it, and you can see everything looks pretty good. The rungs look good. I'm a little concerned about, this is pre-existing non-conforming, but you can see this is pretty hard to get by right here. I don't know if that's an issue that needs to be dealt with the city. Also, again, pre-existing non-conforming, but there's really no protection along here. So, again, maybe just a few flats can be pressed down, but generally we're in relatively good order, as you can see. So if we could just, we'll pass this pending some of those minor repairs, and again, some of these stringer clips take a look at. But if you have any questions, Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333.